Hello, this is Todd Utzman here at North Trail RV. A lot of you might be used to seeing me on some of the videos for Airstream of South Florida, but today I'm going to put my North Trail hat on and talk about a great little conventional trailer that North Trail RV offers. That's the Heartland North Trail. Name is coincidence with the dealer and only coincidence, but it is a great unit. They do have 2-inch thick styrofoam insulated solid block foam insulation in their walls with a nice outer skin. It's also an important thing that gets a little boring to talk about in the construction though is the Asdale walls. Behind this fiberglass siding is a fiberglass board instead of paneling or luan. So 4 or 5 years down the road you don't get what looks like bubbling from water damage, which is really delamination, and it comes from humidity. Especially in Florida, humidity comes from the inside out. On these, you're not going to see that. It can make these cost sometimes a couple $1,000s more than another unit, but you'll also get another 5 to 10 years out of them without worrying about delamination. So, I mean, that comes down to, on a payment, maybe $1.40 a month. So it's a worthwhile investment. All North Trails come with power tongue jacks and power stabilizing jacks. Another thing I like to show people while we're out here on this North Trail is these nice big huge King Kong style storage areas. This one does happen to have the grill in it. It does come with a barbecue grill that attaches on the back of the unit at the end of the awning. And these are called slam lockers. They've got the better latches, not the little flip wings at each end with a very thin paneled door. You can slam them shut. They're very, very solid units. And we'll work our way down here. They do use the Yeti name to brag about their sidewall construction, and the funny thing about the Yeti name is they had it trademarked long before the Yeti coolers came out, but they both seem to work just fine. And they also have the wide span or wide balance axles, which does help this to be a little more stable trailering down the road. Kind of helps with that sway a little bit, although I do still recommend sway control. And you come down on this unit. This is a 2028 RKDS. So it's got a rear kitchen on it, but it also affords you this nice outside storage. And one thing I love about the North Trails, they don't put those little 2-burner tinny stoves on here that the wind blows out every time it comes. You can put your electric griddle on here. You got plugs for it, and you can do your pancakes, waffles, sausage for the kids right here. You got a fridge. Gatorades, tea, or water like me, or for kids, I'm getting old, other people might put beer or something in it, but it's right here, and it's great when you're out relaxing at the campground under the awning. Okay, at this point, I'm going to take you guys inside and show you around this great unit. I want to point out the ceiling. It's 4 inches thick. It's got a vacuum bonded roof, solid block foam insulation. It's not that loose fiberglass that can bunch up and settle. So this unit can keep you frozen, or it can keep you plenty warm in the winter. It is an all-season coach. These North Trails like this 28 RKDS have an awesome giant counter space. If you like doing big barbecues and meals for the family, you got plenty of prep area. They come with stainless steel stoves and oven, which are real nice. This is a Furion top, cast iron cooktop, so it's real heavy duty. It can handle your cast iron camping gear. And it's got a microwave for quick heating up or thawing things, which is nice. Also comes with this beautiful Everchill, which is a residential refrigerator. No propane to worry about, no warm ice, no melting ice cream. This unit is got great sleeping accommodations. This portable table, which can be carried in or out, it's portable and used outside if you like, but it also folds up and can become part of this dining area for a bed. Okay, and I want to talk about this sofa. This is like a love seat style sofa, a little bit bigger than that, but I want you to see how thick the cushions are. This isn't one of those beds that flip out with the bars under it and a little air mattress or a thin mattress. These thick cushions, that thick back, has a great big matching cushion. Bottom drawer pulls out. This folds like a jackknife, but then the bottom drawer comes all the way out. You have a very thick cushion. It'll hold 2 guys like me, guy and a girl, 2 kids, 2 adults, whatever. Very, very comfortable. There's a lot of room on here, and you will sleep good overnight with this. It's not thin at all. We walk over here, and this is the entertainment area. Obviously, we have the stereo here. You've got a great fireplace here. It is also a 5,000 BTU heater. If you find that it's a little chilly out and you want to warm it up, but you don't want to go to the extreme of putting on the whole gas furnace, which these are equipped with, you can do that and just take the chill out. And they all come standard with a 50-inch television. That's a nice feature, and it is on a tilt or extension that comes out. And then the mantle has a little hidden spot if you want to throw your wallet or purse or your camera in and you're out to the beach or for a hike for the day and just want to put it out of sight, out of mind, even though I'm sure you're going to lock up. That's an extra nice little safety feature. Nobody's going to know it's there unless you tell them. Okay. And you come around here, we got these great recliners. And now that's why I like the TV, because the TV can be adjusted out so that you can sit and get nice and comfortable here. You got a spot to set your tea or water, Gatorade, whatever your favorite thing is, and watch a little television. Maybe it's just to get the morning weather before you have a great day in the outdoors. I'm going to move around here, take you the shortcut through the bedroom. This is the bathroom. It's got a great size shower in it. It's a skylight for me, but if you're 6'2" or 3", then that's your head space, which is nice to have. Not all of them come with it, but the North Trails do. So some of you tall guys definitely need that. And then, like all of the North Trails, they come standard with a king-size bed. They got great storage underneath, and you've got hanging compartments on both sides. And the cupboards, like this one here, is unique because it's very large and it goes all the way back through to the other side. It's not boxed off. So if you have to put some longer items in there, you have plenty of space for that. And for privacy, if you've got guests or kids staying with you, this door can be closed, and that way the bathroom's private and you still have another door at the end of the wall here to go in and out of the bedroom. So this is just one of many, many different floor plans and styles that North Trail has. And one of the unique things we do here at North Trail RV is we order these bigger units. They already come with the 15,000. We upgrade them to a 15,000 BTU air conditioner. And then our manager also orders it pre-wired for a second one. So it's already got all the wiring in place. If someone wanted a second AC in this bedroom, it's very affordable. There's no special work to be done to have it put in. Same with the solar. These units are pre-wired for solar. There's not solar on them, but all of the hardware is in place. So it's just a matter of having the dealership get the solar panels out and install them for you. So that's about all I have to say for right now. I am Todd Utzman here at North Trail RV right here in Fort Myers, Florida. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And you can call us directly here at phone number 239-693-8200. Have a great day and happy trails.